So how this relates to my project is, I was wondering if the RFS in Wagga had to, make big changes because of the way that climate change is affecting Wagga. So already we know that we're getting more hot days in summer. So the amount of hot days above 40 degrees is more. When they get above 40 degrees, they're actually going higher above 40 degrees than what they have previously.
And the hotter getting hotter.
And they're starting earlier in the year.
Well, this is where the climate change will affect activities like this.
Okay.
Our opportunities to do these burns will become narrower and narrower.
Okay, so you've got to be more careful at the time.
Well, because of the reduced rainfall and the above average temperatures that we're going to start to see, our opportunities to do hazard reduction burning or other forms of treatment are actually going to become lesser and lesser, and we'll be pushed further and further back into winter.
Yeah.
So I've got a site out at Coolaman that I was hoping to burn in a couple of weeks' time. Now I went out and I had a look at that site on Tuesday just gone.
Yep.
And I've looked at it and I've decided it's too dry.
Yeah.
Because
we've had such a dry winter, haven't we?
So well below average rainfall, well above average temperatures. I think this is the warmest winter on record. I think we broke 240 records this year. For the first time ever, we're going to see 40+ degree days in September in the far west of New South Wales this Saturday.
Yeah.
I believe that's a record breaker again.
Yeah.
So our opportunities to do hazard reduction burn are actually becoming harder and harder to achieve, because the window where we can achieve the ultimate prescription, so something that's sufficient enough to remove the fuels but not too hot where it does damage to the environment, those windows are becoming narrower and narrower, and it's harder and harder to achieve.
I'd probably take that opportunity to add something else in which I haven't said yet. So the state government report has also said that our rainfall patterns, which you have alluded to, are changing from being a winter dominant rainfall to actually getting most of our rainfall in the summer half of the year as well. And so that's on average. It's not going to happen every year, but we can see that this year was probably a perfect example of it. So we've had a drier winter, and that's affected, what you thought you could do. It hasn't worked out.